Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can delete history only for one site in Google Chrome. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Google Chrome, and when you're here you want to press Ctrl and H, and you will be here in history. Right here, let's say that I want to delete, I don't know, history for... This is new site, I don't have it here, so I can like choose Steam, right? Or if you have like some adult website. So I will just press Ctrl A, and then I will just press delete, and I will remove the history only for this one site. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.